Hello, this is the Trades at US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday, the 16th of September and Friday, the 17th of September 2021. As usual, we don't typically do market previews for Friday. I don't think this week will be any different. It's triple expiration. We did probably get our options unraveling move today. It was the upside, which is sometimes common to go counter, actually more common than not to go counter than the recent move. So we've been down for 8 or 9 days, and we kind of went counter to that. We'll look at that in a minute. If that took the options out of play, then Thursday's going to be whatever, and Friday's probably going to be a waste of time, as the expiration itself usually is. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market futures form. Crude oil. We'll go through the major daily charts. Crude oil up 16 cents to 72.77. Man, getting back in your highs. Gold down $1.30. S&P cash loses 37.65. Sorry about that. Puts it, gains 37.65. Puts it back up a little bit for the week. NASDAQ 100 up 120. On the session, it was lower. It looked like it was cracking the lows of the week at one point. The SOX up 16.37, almost to new highs there. The biotech's up 50.29. Russell 2000 gains 24.46. The Dow Jones was up 236. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 53 cents. But still back near the highs of the last couple of weeks. Advanced decline ratio on the New York was plus 1263. That's positive versus almost the exact same number the downside the day before on the New York, plus 1168. Much more positive than the negative number from the day before. The trend closes at 0.87. Puts the 10-day at 1.13, so that's nothing near a signal. NASDAQ volume 4.4 billion shares. Came back a little bit. So if you look at last Friday, this Monday, Tuesday, it's down a bit, which is interesting for options unraveling because we definitely got that move. VIX closes down $1.28 to 18.18. Apple up 91 cents to 149.03. Amazon up 25.79. Facebook down $2.61. Google gains $37.70. Goldman Sachs was down $1.74. Kind of interesting. This thing's just not looking too pretty. Netflix up $5.11. Okay. Tesla up $11.34. Zoom down $2.32 for the day. Bitcoin at 47,550. If I look at the intra-day action, the 5-minute candles, so Monday we had been gap up, filled, and closed about even at the end, even though we dipped a little lower. Tuesday gapped up, filled, went lower, lower, lower. So we're down a little bit for the week at that point. And then here we gap up tiny, fill the gap. The NASDAQ goes and breaks the lows of Tuesday, but this is the ES I'm showing. Bounces back up, sitting there just positive, heading into lunch. Looks like the whole day's over. But here's your options unraveling move, right? And remember, that's what you typically see on that Wednesday. And if you draw the line an hour into the market, we started to head up from there. Volume did hold up a bit, and the rest of the day closed positive. And that's how options unraveling is supposed to work. We close near the highs of the day. So that is now gone and aside us, so we can not focus on that anymore, which means the general trend of the market has been more down than up, and then the options unraveling. This is me backing up the chart, right? Then the options unraveling here is a little bit positive at least. So that's not atypical, but again, Friday, probably not going to be too exciting because it's the actual expiration. In terms of economic data left for the week ahead here in the U.S., retail sales on Thursday morning, along with Philly Fed and the unemployment claims number an hour before the bell. Business inventories 30 minutes in, natty gas an hour in. Tick long-term purchases at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern, 30 minutes in, preliminary University of Michigan sentiment. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great expiration. Don't overtrade on Friday, but we'll see what we can do on Thursday. And we will talk to you over the weekend.